Yo, check out this crazy wall edit. It's super easy and you can do it on CapCut. Open up your phone camera and record yourself jumping high against the wall. Then record just the wall in the background for a few seconds. Now open up CapCut and add both clips. Go to the clip of you jumping against the wall and split it at the point where you begin the jump. Then go to remove background, select auto removal, wait for it to load, and after that, make it an overlay. Go to the overlay, move forward to the part where your legs are in the air and split it. So drag the remaining parts of the clip downwards till the point where just your feet appears to be below the wall. Go to splice, select overlay, then go to adjustments to adjust the color of your outfit. You can increase the brightness, reduce the shadow, and increase the highlights so that you show boldly through the wall. Finally, go to mask, select horizontal, drag it all the way down to the point where your feet appears to be below the wall. And that's it. Don't forget to save and follow.
Select a black image and then tap text. Add a keyframe, click on speed curve and save your video. Open a new video and add overlay. Click splice and then darken, and there you have it.
In CapCut, import a black screen and add a text. Add two keyframes, one at the start and the other at the end. On the second keyframe, make the text big enough to cover the entire screen. In the graph section, you can select Ease In to get a smooth transition. Export this and start a new project. Upload your main video and add an overlay of the exported video. Select Splice and tap on Slide and you should have this effect. Try this for your next Instagram reel.
Select a black image and then tap text. Add a keyframe, click on speed curve and save your video. Open a new video and add overlay. Click splice and then darken, and there you have it.
How I created this edit. You only need two clips, one with you presenting the plate and one picture of your phone with a green screen. First, open CapCut and get your clips. Grab the green screen clip, scroll over to overlay and drag it underneath the first clip. Then scroll over to remove background, hit chroma key, select the green, and then let CapCut do its magic. Then adjust the main track clip to the size you want as well as the green screen clip. Play with them both to make sure you get what you like. Then when you're happy with it, select the top clip, scroll over to duplicate, and hit overlay. Drag that clip underneath the green screen clip, then scroll over to remove background. This time, hit custom removal, then brush out the plate in your hands. Let it load, and then you're pretty much done. If you want to make it more dramatic, add a keyframe right before you hold out the plate, then add another keyframe right when you're presenting the plate and make it bigger. So it's like, here, take the plate. Then you'll have something like this.
Tutorial en CapCut. Primero nos grabamos haciendo el movimiento de la patada y luego la puerta sola para tomarle screenshot. Abrimos Magic Eraser y empezamos a borrar la puerta. Una vez ya hayamos terminado, oprimimos invertir para que quede solamente la figura de la puerta. Abrimos CapCut y exportamos el video. Oprimimos superposición y agregamos la puerta. Y luego la acomodamos. La arrastramos más o menos hasta donde el pie toca el suelo. Ponemos un keyframe y empezamos a ajustar la puerta como si fuera a salir de la pantalla. Y se ve así. Luego buscamos efectos y escribimos la palabra movimiento. Seleccionamos este efecto y lo acomodamos desde que hacemos la patada. Luego duplicamos este efecto, oprimimos objeto y seleccionamos la puerta. Y listo, así es como quedaría este efecto.
So easy. Let's make it together. Record a video of yourself, pretend that you are throwing the outfit. After that, change your outfit and pretend that the outfit hit your body. Import the footage into the CapCut. Go to the point that the outfit wanna hit your body. Press on the video and press on freeze. Then press on overlay. Press on the overlay and drag it to the left side and put it on top of the place that you are acting you wanna throw the outfit. Press on the overlay, go to remove BG, custom removal, and with the brush, try to cut out the outfit. Press on the overlay and try to scale it down and adjust it with the phone. Press on the keyframe and set the keyframe. Then scroll a little bit forward